I would expect that we would see a bit of a bounce back, potentially retesting above 10,000 again, potentially, and potentially retesting upwards of $12,000 before getting a potential pullback to the $10,000 level. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today I want to discuss the price of Bitcoin. So if you guys have been watching this channel for the past few months, things have played out pretty much as we've been expecting. We got that pullback to 9,500 we were looking for. We got the bounce off of 9,100 we were looking for, and we got the retest of 12,000 we were looking for, and the pullback to 10,000 we were looking for. So in yesterday's video, we were discussing that if we fell below 10,800, then likely we would hit the $10,000 level. We broke below 10,800. We pulled back to $10,000 flat here on Coinbase, and now we are getting a bit of a bounce. Right now, the bulls do need to put in some good volume at this level if they're going to maintain the 10,000 level, which is a psychological level right now. Also, in yesterday's video, we were discussing the 21 EMA. So during this entire parabolic move, the 21 EMA has acted as a really good support indicator. And if you guys have been watching this channel, this area right here before the breakdown, we were looking at the 21 EMA and we were looking for a daily candle close below the 21 EMA, and that would act as a indication for a bearish move to break the parabolic trend, and that is what we did. We broke the parabolic trend, bounced off of 9,100, used the previous parabolic trend as resistance, not once, but 2 times now, which also coincides with the downward sloping resistance. So in yesterday's video, we were talking about how if we got a daily candle close below the 21 EMA, that would be our bearish indicator for a move down to 10,000. We got that daily candle close below the 21 EMA, and we got a move down to $10,000, and now seeing a slight bounce. So right now we are getting a slight bounce off of $10,000. If this bounce is going to continue, then very likely we would be testing back up to the 21 EMA here and using it as potential resistance along this level right here. And if we do get a nice bounce off of 10,000, that would put us in a position to potentially create a pennant formation in this area and potentially retest above the 21 EMA, test the downward sloping resistance once again. And of course, at that point, we would have to see what the market wants to do. Personally, I'm still leaning more bearish. I still think there's more of a potential right now for Bitcoin to retest 9,100 and create a descending triangle and test down to my downside target of $7,500. If you guys want to get a better idea of why I believe Bitcoin is going to retest to the golden retrace at about $7,500, check out yesterday's video where I talk about all this and I explain why this is a routine correction for Bitcoin to make. Now, of course, let me just move back to the daily chart right here. Now, of course, if Bitcoin does break above the downward sloping resistance and uses it as support, then likely we could test up to about 12,000. And if we break above 12,000, then I would say the upside target that I have right now is $13,200 if we do manage to break the downward sloping resistance. And my upside target right now is sitting at about 13,200. And of course, guys, as you should know by now, my downside target is about 7,500, which is coming in at the golden retrace. So this is how I'm seeing the chart overall right now. I really do think it is more likely that we do test the golden retrace, as Bitcoin has done so many times in its past. Definitely check out yesterday's video. Right now, it seems likely that Bitcoin could actually come back to test the 21 EMA here on the weekly. And if Bitcoin does do this, if Bitcoin does test the 21 EMA on the weekly and snaps below it for a short period of time and gets a reaction back up above it, this area right here below the 21 EMA is going to be my buy zone. This is going to be my reaccumulation zone for Bitcoin. If we do break below, if we do have a snap below the 21 EMA on the weekly, this is where I'm looking to reaccumulate Bitcoin. And this is a routine correction for Bitcoin to make. Bitcoin hits the golden retrace all the time on all of its bull markets, and that is what I'm looking for right now. Would be a retest of the golden retrace and building a larger scale parabolic move. And similar to this area right here, guys, 2015 to 2017, I'm looking for a trend to be put in somewhere along this line right here and leading us back up to potentially the all-time high level once again. And this is the trend that I'm looking for Bitcoin to remain on, moving up towards the all-time highs if we do manage to hold this trend and continue to all-time highs, that is. So as you guys should know by now, I use the CryptoWatch platform exclusively, and the reason for that is because I don't need anything else. CryptoWatch is the only thing I need because I can chart on this platform, I can trade on this platform, I can connect myself to all the top exchanges on this platform and trade any asset listed on those exchanges. So CryptoWatch has a lot of interesting features to it. One feature that I like a lot is the alert feature, the text alert feature. If you look to the right of my screen here, you've probably seen this in a lot of my videos, a lot of these alerts that are set here. One thing that CryptoWatch now allows you to do is connect your phone to the platform. So if you do have your alerts set on the sidebar here and you have your phone connected to the platform, then once your price targets get hit, CryptoWatch will send you an alert letting you know that your price target has been hit. And the great thing about that is you don't have to go through any other apps and you don't have to set anything up elsewhere. You can do literally everything you need to do on this platform. You can chart, you can trade, set up alerts that you get on your phone. There's all kinds of features that I'm going to be discussing in future videos. So if you guys want to sign up for CryptoWatch, which I highly recommend, definitely use my affiliate links below if you want to support the channel. So if you like this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.